Hey beauties, check out my website curlsbeauty.co for everything favors from hair products to literally anything. And you can also ask me anything on the website. You can shop there and on Amazon. The link there, it's going to be there at the bottom. And from classic fits to slim fits to sweaters, and also for non-US orders, you can click the button for each style. Again, thank you so much, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe at the bottom and check it out, curlsbeauty.co. Hey beauties, Andrea, welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be my favorite brushes. I've done so many reviews on probably up to 10 or more detangling brushes on my curly hair, wet curly hair, right? A lot of you guys agree with me, a lot of you guys disagree with me, and people got mad. But yeah, this video is gonna be the top 5 that made it into my favorites, alright? By the way guys, do not be upset if the ones that I didn't like or the ones that didn't make it did not make onto this video, or I have a different opinion about the ones that made it actually. Yeah, but I'm gonna hear it in the comment section. Just know, not everything is for everyone. Some things might be good for me and bad for you, and vice versa, so keep that in mind. Alright, the one that's number 1 is the best. We're gonna start from the least favorite. Top 5 that I usually always have. I always have these 5, by the way. Alright, the last one is a comb. Yeah, it's a comb. I like this one. At first time I tried it, I did not like this, but then I started really liking it. You know, the white tooth comb. This is I would call it the long tooth comb, but I really like this one. This one is by My DNA. It detangles very nicely. I have other white tooth combs that work just fine, but this is number 5, the white tooth comb. Especially when I cannot find the other favorite brushes, this is what I go to, and I always have a white tooth comb at my house. Number 4, the wet brush. I got so much crap because of the wet brush. I have this little one. Why? I do not like the wet brush. Let's make that very clear. It does not work on my hair. No, it's not because my hair is so thick. No, it actually just slides on my hair. Like, I don't feel anything. It just slides. Okay, it doesn't do anything for me. I did the review, got so much crap from it, but I'm sorry guys. I was actually expecting a lot from it just because it looks amazing, it feels amazing and everything, but this is amazing on my daughter's 3C for a hair. It's the only thing that touches her hair when it comes to detangling, and she loves it. She runs to it. That's why I have the small one. Alright, it comes in a pack of 3 total, blue, purple, and pink, and yes, always have a wet brush for my daughter. She loves it. 3C for a hair works amazingly, but it did not work for my 3B hair. Alright, no. I gotta buy it, right? So it's always at my house. Number 3, the FLEXY brush. I just reviewed this brush. I use it for styling my hair, which I did not like to use brush for styling your hair ever. This one I do use for styling my hair. I love it. The only thing is, the bad thing is expensive, but I really like this one. It's really nice. I think a lot of you guys will like this one as well. I think most people like this. The bristles are not too long or anything like that. Yes, FLEXY brush made it to my top 5. Number 2, the DENMAN brush. I thought this was going to be my number 1, but it might as well be because I can't find my number 1 anywhere. But this is number 2, the DENMAN brush. The funny thing is, anywhere I go, if I don't have a brush or forgot my brush at home, like trips or anything like that, I find a sallies to look for the DENMAN brush. I love the DENMAN brush. It's an amazing brush. No, I do not use this for styling my hair, but I love this for detangling. And it's the easiest brush to clean, okay? But I really like this brush. The one thing that's bad for me that happened with this brush, the red part right here just slid off and it slid out. People said it's because it makes it easier to clean and remove the rolls and everything. No, I hate that. When I'm detangling, it comes off. It only happened like once when I was using this, but it's something I noticed. But still, number 2 favorites. And when I'm out, no matter what my number 1 is, this is what I go after, the DENMAN brush. Alright, you need to try this if you haven't. I'm not saying it works for every single person in the world, but you need to try this if you haven't. Okay, number 1, the one that I don't have, this is the AQUA brush. Yes, the AQUA brush. I think this was, for me, the mimicking of the wet brush that actually worked for my hair. Amazing. It actually works. It looks just like the wet brush, and I can't find it nowhere. I can't find it anywhere. That's why I go straight to the DENMAN brush when I can't find it. One bad thing about the AQUA brush, it's hard to clean, in my opinion. That's why I don't have any. The ones that I had, I threw them away because it was really hard to clean. But yeah, I guess let the DENMAN brush be the number 1. But I do like it better when it comes to detangling, better than the DENMAN brush. But I'm sticking with the DENMAN brush as number 1, I guess. But yeah, these are my top brushes. My top brushes for detangling my thick curly hair. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you can get all the videos so you can find out when I do upload. And again, thumbs up. Bye guys. Mwah.